So today we're here at 747 Aeroplane Cafe.
In Bangkok, just on the outskirts of Bangkok. It took us about 45 minutes to get here. From Koh San in Bangkok. So yeah.
And it's basically just a cafe made out of an old aeroplane, which you can see behind us. But yeah, you eat here and stuff like that, so let's check it out. Yeah. 120 baht each, and then you get to use it as a drink voucher. Thank you. Our drinks. Look at this, we're inside an aeroplane.
It is an aeroplane.
It's so cool.
It actually was a real aeroplane.
Yeah. For the girl.
Pass is worth 120 baht. If any beverage that exceeds 120 baht, you can pay the extra.
Okay, thank you.
What should we get?
No. Given our tickets, they ripped them off, and then they gave us this. And when this goes off, it means our drinks are ready to go get them.
Our drink.
I'll get the drinks, I'll wait here.
Okay. Yeah.
That's really nice. I think I put the straw the wrong way around like that. Put the straw in the wrong way. That's the pokey bit.
It's something different, isn't it?
Yeah.
We found out about it before we came to Thailand. It was on a Facebook group. I guess it's like a hidden gem. People don't really know about it.
No. But yeah, if you're ever in Bangkok, be sure to check it out, 747 Cafe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We have approximately 15 minutes until landing at the final destination of Bangkok. If you could please take a seat and fasten your seatbelts until the seatbelt sign turns off. It is 9 PM local time in Bangkok, and the temperature is 31 degrees. I hope you've enjoyed your flight with me today and enjoy the rest of your holiday.
The time in Thailand is approximately 9:42.
Approximately.
I don't know what to say. I hope we have a safe flight today, and we will be flying over some beautiful seas and all sorts of stuff, and that's it.
So we've just finished our drink in the 747 Cafe. Had a little play around in the cockpit. Yeah, it's really good. I really recommend it. It's something really different. They also do events here, like club nights, live music, stuff like that. They've got this area outside where they have like a DJ on, music and stuff like that, so it's probably really cool at night as well. Yeah, recommend it. Got some noodles. I think it's got some like squid in it or something.
So we just got back from the 747 Cafe, which is just behind us over there. Found this little, I don't know, a little restaurant basically. We've got some chicken, pork satay, and we've got some beef noodles there. They're good.
Very good.
We're at Lebua, where Hangover Part 2 was filmed. Yeah, it's that really fancy one with the yellow bit on the top.
Rooftop bar. And we came in, well, we tried to come in about half an hour ago and we got turned away because there's a new dress policy, so the men have to wear long trousers. So we just rented some off some Thai lady off the street outside.
120 baht, which is probably like £2.70,
Yeah.
but I've rented them, she's still got my shorts, so I'll give them back. Cool they are though.
Yeah, I think you look cool. Let's go see what this skybar is about. We've ordered a Heineken and a water.
Yeah. Splashing the cash.
We actually are.
We actually are.
This is 400 baht. And this is, I don't even know what that is yet. It's probably a lot for some water.
It's going to be about 700 baht watch. So we're here at Sirocco Sky Bar in Lebua. Yeah, so basically we got a beer and a glass of water, well, a bottle of water, and it was 717 baht. What's our dessert? Apparently we're going to get bugs for dessert.
Folks, we haven't tried anything weird yet, so let's do it.
What can I get 50 baht?
Two.
50 baht.
Two different ones for 50.
100 baht. Right, well, what's the taste? Okay. Just tastes like whatever it is. Should we see them too?
You recommend you this one.
What about these? Are these good or not? No. Not a fan.
Want to be
Whether I can put that
crunchy.
in my mouth. Look at it. It's a grasshopper.
Let's get these two.
You pick. I'm leaving it to you. Go on, do it. Right, go ahead.
Okay, 50 baht for
Yeah. You got the purse? What the hell's going on?
We'll do it while in Thailand, haven't we?
Yeah, we are leaving, to be fair. Look how she's sticking in the pot. Look here. Oh my god, this is wrong. Look at them. Oh, what's she put on it as well? She does Sophie's got some bugs. As Soph calls them, bugs. She's got bugs.
Sit down, Marty.
Let's sit down and eat some bugs. What are you saying?
Alright.
Not very good, is it?
This is what I'm eating.
Bug.
It's a witchy grub. Grub?
No, I don't know. Your face is saying bad stuff.
It's just because I know what I'm eating, but it just tastes like a snack.
Alright, then Soph, you're going to do the grasshopper. So look at him. Go on.
No.
You've got to do it.
I don't know what's in it.
Just don't look at it. Just think, oh, that is rank. It's rank.
It's all cooked, isn't it?
Yeah. Do it. Do it.
I'm scared.
Oh, that's it. Go on, just cut. How is it?
Just laughed at us.
Just crack it up. How is it? Is it crunchy?
It tastes like, it just tastes burnt.
It's like a bug. Imagine just munching a pot of bugs. Sitting there munching on it.
Weird, isn't it? I feel like I'm a celebrity. Like,
Oh no! Is it gonna pop? Oh! That crunch! Oh my god! How was it?
I don't really know.
Well, if it was good, you'd definitely be saying it's good, right?
I would say it's like good, like, but it's not like really bad. Then. Go on then.
Okay. Sorry. That's grim. That's not good. It literally tastes like a bug, like a dead one. I'm not eating that grasshopper. I'm not eating it. Not for me.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you'd like to follow our journey, make sure you hit that like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to be notified each time we post, then make sure you have the notification bell turned on below.